Just like you and me, Todd loves to browse the web. From food to fitness to fashion and finance. The possibilities of places to explore are virtually endless. But with people like Lara the hacker hanging around, Todd needs to be mindful to protect his security online. So while he knows he can safely share some information, he thinks twice before posting any private details on public sites. Because Todd knows that if he inadvertently shares personal information publicly, it could be used to steal his identity or give unwanted people access to his private accounts. Lara's got other tricks up her sleeve to get your personal information, like planting pop-ups, installing malware, and setting up false websites, which are designed to extract Todd's sensitive data. But Todd's not about to get caught out, so he ensures that he keeps his eyes open to recognise untrustworthy sites. And he also takes advantage of reputable antivirus software and browser check tools. To make sure you stay safe and smart online, use this checklist to protect yourself when browsing the web. Keep your private information private by checking that any site asking for sensitive information has a valid security certificate, usually represented by a padlock. Being mindful of what data you're sharing and with whom. Using antivirus and taking advantage of free browser scanning tools.